students, I am Nilaman here. I am going to teach you Unit 2, that is Sports and Nutrition. In my earlier videos, I have taught you about different foodstuffs, balanced diet, and I have taught you what is a balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet in which an inadequate amount of proteins, minerals, vitamins, and carbohydrates, water, etc. are there. Today we are going to learn about the functions and importance of balanced diet. Okay, in my earlier video I have taught you about balanced diet. So we can recap a diet which consists of all the essential food elements, we can say, like proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, fats, minerals and water in correct proportions. This will be called balanced diet. The ratio between proteins, fats and carbohydrates should be 1:1:4. So today we are going to learn about the functions of balanced diet. A balanced diet means eating the right type of food to provide our body nutrition. When a person will take balanced diet, then he will be fit, fine and protected from diseases, and his or her immunization power will also increase when we include balanced diet. Okay, then here, good nutrition is important for healthy growth and development. A balanced diet is important because it enables us to meet our daily nutritional needs and enjoy a higher overall quality of life. Overall quality of life can be enjoyed when our body is fit and fine, and that will be fit and fine only when we will take balanced diet. Here, functions or importance of balanced diet is, first is disease prevention. When you take balanced diet, that protect your body from diseases. Okay, taking balanced diet will also control your weight, control your blood pressure and prevent from heart diseases also. Your heart will work efficiently when you take balanced diet. As you know, our heart pumps blood and that will work properly when you will take balanced diet. So be careful while taking food. Okay. Number 2, it is meeting nutritional needs. All the nutrients are available in balanced diet, like carbohydrates, fats, minerals, vitamins. All these are included in balanced diet. So, nutritional values are fulfilled by balanced diet. We can say our body intake food which should include grains, fruit, milk, dairy products, vegetables, beans, oils and proteins. Healthy food contains vitamins and minerals, and by taking this nutritional food, this will also boost up our immunity power. Immunity power will be boosted when we take balanced diet. In that all the nutrients are there which are very useful for your body, for your health also. Then if we take healthy food rich in vitamins and minerals, we will get natural protection from many common illness. Then number 3 is their weight control. Number 3, it is weight control. When you take balanced diet, it will also control your weight. If underweight persons are there, when they take balanced diet, then naturally if balanced diet is taken by a person, then his or her weight will also increase. That person will not be called underweight. Okay, so balanced diet is very useful for controlling our body weight. Eating a balanced diet can be important first step towards weight control. A balanced diet helps us to maintain healthy weight. If we are underweight, eating a balanced diet can help to gain weight and maintain the weight gain in the long term. Then comes immune system health. Number 4, immune system health. Balanced diet will make your immune system stronger. When you include vitamin E, that will contribute the production of antibiotics. In your body. And vitamin C enhances what? That enhances lymphocytes. Vitamin C enhances lymphocytes, a type of white blood cells which will guard your body from diseases. This will enhance lymphocytes, a type of blood cells which will improve your immunization system. Okay, then we can say this vitamin C enhances the production of lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell that guard your body against infection. Vitamin D helps our cells combat germs and eases inflammation. Zinc, selenium and iron. Also protect our body from diseases and also make strong our immune system. So we should include balanced diet in our food. Okay, vitamin E, vitamin C, zinc, selenium and iron, all these boost up our immune system and our body is protected from infection. Okay, then comes proper sleep. When you take balanced diet, naturally when food balanced diet will be taken by you will have sound sleep. You need not pills to sleep. Okay, this will give you proper sleep, and after sleep you will feel fresh, energetic and ready to take part in sports. Then comes mental health. This balanced diet will also make our mental health strong. Physical growth as well as also improve our mental health. When you include milk, meat products, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, pulses, all these when you include in your diet, then your mental health is improved. From the research, it was found that middle-aged women who took balanced diet were likely to live 40% more than the women who haven't included balanced diet in their food. Then we can say from the research it was found that it has been found that middle-aged women who ate a healthy diet were about 40% more likely to live longer without mental problems than women who adhered to less healthy diets. Then comes quality of life. 7th question. Well, 7th point is quality of life. Quality of life, eating a balanced diet is important because it allows us to enjoy life, have more energy, feel less stress and accomplish more in less time. We will have fewer illnesses and medical bills. A balanced diet is the foundation of good health and well-being. Good health and well-being. So quality of life will be improved when we take balanced diet. So these are the points for the importance of balanced diet, or we can say functions of balanced diet. It was disease prevention. Number 2, meeting nutritional needs. Also helps in weight control, improves our immune system. Then 5th, proper sleep, mental health, and 7 is quality of life. So all of you should take balanced diet, and when balanced diet will be taken by you, you will be strong, energetic, fit and fine, healthy. So include proper diet. Okay, proper diet, different food stuffs, and try to become a good, strong, energetic sports person. Thank you. Have a nice day. And in the next video, we will learn about nutrition. Okay, nutrition, and here meaning of nutrition and macro and micronutrients. Macro and micronutrients. So whatever is taught today, you will learn from your book, you will read from your book, that is page number of your book, that is page number 51 and 52. Over, you will read page number 51 and 52 of Unit 2, Sports and Nutrition. So stay alert, stay healthy, take proper care, stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.